Question number 6. A car travels along a straight horizontal road. The graph shows the variation with the velocity v of the car with time t for 6 seconds of its journey. From t equal to 0 to t equal to 6 seconds, how is the velocity changing with time? That's been shown. Okay. And then the brakes of the car are applied from t equal to 1 to 4 seconds. From t equal to 1 second to t equal to 4 seconds, brake is applied. That's why the velocity is now reducing over here. How far does the car travel while the brakes are applied? When you say how far, what is it you need to determine? Look at the units here. It's meters, right? You need to find out the displacement. How do you find displacement? Find the area under this graph, right? Many students make a mistake finding out only the area of this triangle. Don't do this one. It should be with respect to the x-axis. What is the area here? See, this looks like a trapezoid here. See, this looks like a trapezoid over here. So you need to find out this area here. Let me call this as A, B, C, D. So how do I find the area of a trapezoid? Which should be half into, which is a parallel side. See, this is my parallel side, right? DC is a parallel side, AB is my parallel side. So I'll write DC plus AB, sum of the parallel sides are multiplied by distance between the two parallel sides. What is the distance between them? BC. So which should now be equal to half multiplied by, what is DC? DC is, what is this value here? This should be 8. This should be 8 plus what is AB? AB is 20, 21, 22. 22 multiplied by BC. What is BC? BC is 1 here, 4 here, 4 minus 1, 3 here. 3 over here. So this should be 30 divided by 2 should be 15 multiplied by 3, which should be equal to 45 meters. Answer is B.